I definitely 100% know it's not going to turn out how I had anticipated. Hey everyone, welcome back to the yellow bathroom where it all began 2 months ago. I have reached the point in quarantine where I am sick of my hair and I'm going to do something to it today. And it's the one thing everyone says you're not supposed to do, and that is coloring it at home. I would like to preface this by saying I have reached out to my personal professional hairstylist. I have talked to her about it. I have shown her and explained to her what I think I'm going to do, and she has given me her blessing and also a warning that you never know what's going to happen, and I understand all that, but I am really excited. So if you want to see what I'm planning on doing with this mop, then keep watching. So my normal hairstyle routine would be every 7 to 8 weeks. I do go see my girl Mandi, and she colors my hair blonde. For about a year now, I have been putting purple in the ends, and I've loved it. I've loved it. My kids love it. My husband, he loves me, so we'll just leave it at that. So I've decided that purple is what we're going to do, only I'm going to do a little more purple than normal because why not? All in, right? Because I go 7 to 8 weeks without doing anything to my hair, I'm already at the last possible minute when I do have my hair appointment. So my last appointment that I had scheduled was April 4th, I believe, which clearly didn't happen because of everything that's going on. And I understand that, that's fine. But now we're over 2 weeks past that. So I'm ready, guys. I'm so ready. The brand that I finally decided to go with is Arctic Fox. It is semi-permanent hair color. There is no chemicals in it. These smell like grape. I don't know if that's just because they're purple or if that's just what their colors smell like. It smells so good. I got the color Purple Rain and Girls Night. Originally, I was just going to do my ends, but I started watching a lot of videos and tutorials on the best way to do this, and I found a video and a color that I fell in love with, so that's what we're going to try. Here's a picture of that. That is the look I'm going for. I am going to get my colors ready and we'll see what happens. Right, so now I'm gonna mix this up really well. Now I am going to divide this into thirds. The original mixture, I'm done with that. I'm going to set that aside. These two I want to lighten up. So I'm going to take some conditioner that I have left over. Let's see what this does. Nothing. Okay. I don't think this is doing anything. Okay, so here are the three colors that I have come up with. This is going to be obviously the darkest one and the one I use the least. And then we've got the medium and the light. So now I guess it's go time. We're going to get started. The first direction was to shampoo your hair and do not condition it, then dry it. The thought of drying my hair without conditioner in it made me cringe. So I did just shampoo my hair last night before I went to bed and then just slept on a wet head so it could air dry naturally. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dark and just do like a whole bottom layer of just the dark. Oh, and you were supposed to put like petroleum jelly around areas that you didn't want color on, but I didn't do that. I do have a shirt on that if I get color on it, it's okay. I'm not doing any of this how I thought I would, and you will learn nothing. So I will just bring you back towards the end. Okay, my thoughts so far. 1, I have a lot of stuff left over. I don't know if that means I used too much to begin with, or if I didn't use and put enough on my hair. 2, stuff is really crunchy where I first started coloring. So I don't know what that means. 3, this is way messier than I thought. Obviously I knew it wouldn't be nice and neat, but it's my shirt, this. I'm going to let this sit for at least 45 minutes and then I will be back. Thought I'd check in again. I know it's not going to look awful. Like, I'm not going to hate it. When I was rinsing it out, I could see some variation in color. Hopefully it's at least fun. So I'm going to dry my hair and then I will be back to show you guys the final look, I guess. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
We're doing
Hey.
mine tomorrow.
I think it looks good.
It's not bad.
You like it? What do you think, Sam? Sam's mad. Tell me why you're mad.
He doesn't have a twin. I'm not mad.
Tell me why you don't like it. What'd you tell me?
There's all of our other families have twins,
Oh,
and I don't.
you don't have a blonde-haired twin anymore?
I don't.
Are you guys ready to see the final product? What do you think? I definitely do not hate it. I knew I wouldn't. I kind of love it. I'm excited that there's at least some variation in color. A few things that I'm taking away from this. 1, there's no way I could do this as a profession. 2, make sure you do your research on products if this is something that you're going to do at home. 3, this is not a tutorial. In fact, that might be the title of this. Not a tutorial. I see some spots here and there that I missed, but overall, I'm good with it. If you have made it this far and you haven't subscribed, I'm not sure what you're doing. You should totally do that. My next video is a BoxyCharm video. And in this BoxyCharm video, I am doing a giveaway worth over $50. And you want to be a subscriber. I think I'm going to, while I'm filming that video, just look through my subscriber list in the video and announce a winner. It's not going to be a comment. It's not going to be like a subscribe now and then I will pick a winner. I want to give something to my people who are already there. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'm at 93 subscribers right now, which is so close to 100, which just blows my mind. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I hope that mentally you're good, emotionally you're good, and know that I love you all. And I will see you in my next video.